Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman has reported from Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would retire to mosque during the middle 10 days of Ramadan. One year, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed i'tikaf, and the 21st night came in the morning, of which night he sallallahu alaihi wasallam come out, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whosoever has remained in i'tikaf with me should remain in i'tikaf during the last 10 days, and I was shown this night and then caused to forget it. Moreover, I have seen prostrating myself in water and clay. So seek it on every odd night of the last 10 days. Rain fell that night, and the roof of the mosque made of date palm leaves started dripping. So my both eyes saw the trace of mud on the forehead of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the morning of the 21st night." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2027.